This sewing machine can sew a variety of decorative stitches. This stitch is used for decorating edging on items such as tablecloths, collars on blouse, etc. Use the satin stitch foot A for this stitch. Turn off the power switch before replacing the presser foot. Select this stitch pattern. Press the Mode Selection button to set to Pattern Mode. Then, the lamp on the right side of Pattern lights up. Press the plus button in the ones place of the pattern selection to change the ones place display to 5. Press the minus button in the tens place of the pattern selection to change the tens place to and set the number to 25. The pattern number differs depending on the model. Normally, the pattern is sewn continuously like this. To stop sewing after completing the pattern, press the auto lock button during sewing. When you do so, the pattern is completed, and the machine automatically stops.